Alright, so I'm just out riding around today, putting out a couple fires. Got an install coming up. Headed over here to RE Michael. You know, when you buy stuff from RE Michael, they give you perks, you know, they give you trips, you know, gift cards for Amazon, all kinds of different appliances they'll give you, tool bags, stuff like that. Well, today I'm going to pick up a tool bag. And then I'm going to go give it away right quick. I got like 10 tool bags, man. I'm going to go give it to somebody that I think could use it a little more than me. So let's go grab it. So yeah, they just gave me this bag for, you know, nothing special, just probably had to spend $5,000 to get it, but whatever. Nothing's free in this world, you know what I mean? Nothing. What's your name, young man?
Ray.
How long you been in school?
About a month.
About a month? How you like it?
It's easy.
It's easy?
Yeah, so far.
Easy till you get out there, huh?
We'll see.
All right. Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Hey, are you an instructor?
Yes, I am.
I went to the school about 8 years ago.
You was here 8 years
Yeah, I got my own company now.
Oh, okay.
I was just wondering, who's got the highest average in the class right now, do you know?
Right now, it should be Daniel.
Can you show me who he is? Huh? What's his name?
Daniel.
Daniel? All right. This is Jacob.
No.
Hey, Daniel. Here you go, man.
What's this?
My name is Ernest. I have a company. I went to the school about, I don't know, 7, 8 years ago, and they gave me this at the supply house, and I buy so much equipment, they just give me tools and bags, so I'm going to start coming by and just giving it to you guys, whatever I get. So there you go. There's a new bag, so when you get out there and get started.
Appreciate it, man.
And yeah.
Thank you.
If you guys want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram, it's EMT HVAC. And if you guys are looking for a job, I do have a lot of connections. So
Thank you so much.
yeah, good luck, and I'll be seeing you guys again.
Thank you very much.
All right, no problem.
Appreciate it.
No problem. All right, so my case in point right there, bam. I did not give that tool bag to the young man with the highest average because he was late. So there you go, man. That's the key to success in a lot of situations. If you're out here working, you can't be late. If you're late, that throws off the whole trajectory of what you got going on. It sets everything back. So hey, man, hopefully somebody learned something from that. If you're late, it's gonna cost you. That cost him a tool bag, but it could cost you your job. So if you're starting out in the trades, be on time. Always be on time. And now hopefully I'm going to be on time for this next service call. I'm on to the next one, baby.